Hey beauties, we are doing a perm rod set today. Let's get it. So to achieve this look, you're going to need some perm rods. I chose the pink and the gray. They're a little on the thinner side to give me a nice tighter curl. I also used my water and oil spray mixture. And this is the first time I am using a setting lotion for my perm rods. I chose to use this so that I could have a little more hold because the past two times that I've done this style, I've only used water and the curls will only last me probably a day. So I wanted to have a little more hold. I'm taking a small amount of my Microlocs, probably about 6 or 7 per perm rod, maybe less. And then I do the corkscrew method, or at least that's what I like to call it. Instead of rolling the hair straight up into itself, I twirl it around the perm rod in order to get the tight corkscrew looking curl. So you'll see me go through each section. There will be moments where I will zoom in so you can see exactly what I mean when I say I'm using the corkscrew method. Alright, so I'm going to speed it up now so you can watch me put all the perm rods in.
Woke up at the beach just one weekend. Got what I needed, then we ran. How much do we lose when we know the truth? You gotta wait. Why you gotta preach to me? Why you always chastising? You don't see the difference. No, I see the difference. I wanna make that wrong feel right. Got wounds healing up inside. Wounds healing up, feeling right. Wounds getting deeper now. Oh, pour some liquor on it. In your life, you got to pour some to make it in your life. Make it right. How much do you put down on a weekend? Don't tell me how much we lost again. How much do we love when we know the truth? You gotta wait. Why you gotta preach to me? Why you start the chastising? I don't see the difference. You gotta wait. I wanna make that wrong feel right. Got wounds healing up inside. Wounds healing up, feeling right. Wounds getting deeper now. Oh, pour some liquor on it. In your life, you got to pour some to make it in your life. Make it right. Make it right, yeah. Now we don't gotta hide it anymore. You gave me the keys to what I'm looking for. You gotta wait. up at the beach just one weekend. Got what I needed, then we ran. How much do we lose when we know the truth? You gotta wait. Why you gotta preach to me? Why you always chastising? You don't see the difference. No, I see the difference. I wanna make that wrong feel right. Got wounds healing up inside. Wounds healing up, feeling right. Wounds getting deeper now. Oh, pour some liquor on it. In your life, you got to pour some to make it in your life.
Okay, all the perm rods are in. I'm giving you a 360 of them, and then now I'm going to bed and we'll see how it comes out tomorrow. Alright, so now it's time to pop these bad boys out and see what we're working with. I literally just take them out and then I just separate them by running my fingers through and kind of shape them how I want them to lay, and that's about it. I've worn my hair like this literally 3 times. This is just the first time with foam, but each time I've always loved it. You can see me talking to my boyfriend. We're talking about election night. I hope you all voted. That's the only plug I'm gonna make. So now I'm just going through and, like I said, separating each of the curls with my fingers. I'm basically just pulling them apart and then raking my fingers through to continue to separate the different microlocs. This step is, of course, how you get the body and the fullness of your style. You don't want your curls just mushed to your head and big chunky ones like I had when I first took the perm rods out. I just want to add that this method also works on your loose natural hair. I did the same thing for my loose natural hair. I only just added gel after applying the foam. We cute, sis. We cute. So here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Let me know if you try this on your own microlocs or your loose natural hair. But if you like this video, make sure you like and comment and subscribe to my channel for more goodies like this. Thanks for watching.